Okay, so we're in Power Query. We want to change the hard-coded file path. So we go to Advanced Settings. Here, either copy or cut, take it away, leave just the brackets. I take it away, done. You'll see an error, that's fine. And then we're going to go now to add a parameter. I'm going to call it source file path. I change it to text because 90% of the time it's text, keep the value the same. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to paste the hard-coded file path that we just cut from the advanced settings M code and press OK, making sure you take on the speech grammar at the end. And then you'll see here again, we'll go back to fact sales. And now what we could do is go back to advanced editor, and in those brackets, literally just write the source file path. Should come up here, press select at the end, click it, and then done. And you'll see the table appear, which is great. And what this does is it gives you a little bit more flexibility. You don't have to look for the file path name if it's changed, because it changes quite a lot and it throws a fucking hissy fit. So then we can just change it in this one place here.